G'day everyone and welcome to Melbourne Power Equipment. In today's video I'm going to show you how to diagnose any starting issues with Yamaha EF2400iS inverter generator. Fuel's on, choke's out, ignition's on. After a few pulls it doesn't start. Okay, the first thing we'll do is check the engine oil. That's right up to the top there. The reason for that is they have a low oil shutoff, so if your engine oil is low, you won't be able to start your generator. Next, just check your fuel tank. Make sure you've got plenty of fuel. It's in good condition and that there's no water or debris sitting in the bottom of the tank. Okay, so next we'll check the spark. Okay, so undo the two Phillips head screws at the bottom of the cover. And then just pry that cover out. There's a couple of clips holding it in. Okay, so that's our spark plug cap. Take that one off. And it is easy to check this with a spark plug out. So just take that spark plug out. Okay, now sit that spark plug back on something metal, so ground it out. Then you might need somebody else's to pull the recoil rope. Right, you can see there the spark is fine. Okay, so I'll pop that spark plug back in. If the spark plug looks old and is blackened or anything like that, just replace it. Pop that cap back on. Okay, next we'll check the fuel flow. Okay, then we need to get a little container or a rag. Undo that drain screw on the carby. Just let that run for a few seconds. Okay, it did run out after a few seconds, which means there's plenty of flow coming from the tank through to the carby. If it did run out of fuel, that means either the needle on the seat is stuck or there's a blockage in the fuel line somewhere. Okay, so now what I'll do is we'll take off the front of this air filter housing. Two Phillips head screws at the top there. That one just pull out. Okay, the air filter housing, two Phillips head screws. The air filter out and that little metal plate. Okay, so right there is our intake that goes straight into the carby, straight into the engine. So what I'm going to do is spray some fuel or some aero start directly into there and try to start it. If it does start on the fuel and aero start, that means we've got an issue with the carby. Spray some in, choke off. Okay, So it starts and stops. That means it ran on the small amount of fuel that I put in. So that means that fuel's not getting from the carby bowl up into the engine. So next I'll remove the carby from the generator, give it a clean out, give it a service, and then pop the carby back on. Okay, so I've had the carby off, cleaned the carby out, given it a service, and refitted it to the generator. Now let's give it a test and see how it goes. Beautiful. Okay, so just to recap, the generator wasn't starting. We checked the oil, that was fine. We checked the spark, that was fine. We checked the fuel flow, which was fine. It was fine going through into the carby, but it still wasn't starting, so then we had to spray some fuel into the carby, and then it would start and then stop, so it would run on that small amount of fuel that we sprayed in, which means it had a carby issue. Pull that carby off, give it a clean out, give it a service, refit that carby back on, retest it, and she's fine. Thanks heaps for watching today's video. I hope it really helped you out. If you'd like to see more videos like these ones, just hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.